So guys, we are replacing new disc. This is the old one. Already this one is finished. So we are fixing the new one. 4-piece we are fixing. So this is the front one. Oh, see the front one here, and this is the parts. This is original, guys, from Japan. So guys, just watch out. Already I removed the first one. You have to set everything to be okay. So now I have to fix this right now. This is the brake part I will change after I finish the brake piece. So guys, watch out. Now we need to make adjustment. Hand brake. Okay. Hand brake. Okay, small, so we need to reduce a bit. Yeah, I think this is normal now.